Welcome to AutoRevive. They say girls aren't into cars, but today we have this Mercedes S600 that costs $400,000 brand new. It belongs to a female boss, a flagship ride that's been collecting dust for years. Taking on a massive job like this is only possible because our skills are top-notch. Let's see how we make this V12 flagship regain its full commanding presence and dominate the streets once again. Alright guys, the show officially begins. The interior and exterior have been stripped clean, pulling the engine and dropping the subframes for this heavy lifting. It's your time to shine, brother. Let's check the chassis condition first. The lines are literally hanging by baling wire. Incredibly sloppy. Next, we drain all the fluids from the vehicle completely. Disconnect the drive shaft. Drop the exhaust. Remove the subframe bolts. And drop the engine out in one go. The rear axle assembly comes down too. Everything is sorted out methodically. The engine and transmission are leaking from 4 different spots. All the chassis bushings are completely shot. The whole car looks like it just survived a war zone. It's absolutely ridiculous. Let's tear down the engine right away. Look at this RTV sealant application. Incredibly sloppy work. Separate the engine and transmission and tear them down one by one. Time for a complete overhaul. Heavy sludge buildup in the coolant passages. The engine's cooling system completely failed. You can clearly see how severe the overheating was. Engine teardown is complete. Severe carbon buildup. The main and rod bearings show obvious scoring. Oil passages are completely clogged. The engine was basically on the verge of being scrapped. All components have been deep cleaned in the ultrasonic cleaner. Neatly organized and laid out. Time to start the rebuild. checking the piston condition and clearances. Testing movement, resistance, and smoothness. Lapping the valves and meticulously adjusting valve lash. Engine assembly is complete. Fully resurrected. Now let's tear down the transmission as well. We'll fix the gear slipping issue while we're at it. Look how filthy this transmission fluid is. It's full of metal shavings. The internal wear must be severe. The transmission steel plates and clutches are completely burnt. Transmission teardown is complete. All the replacement parts have arrived. Let's begin the subassembly. Checking planetary gear clearances. Calibrating to prevent any future gear slipping. Transmission rebuild is complete. Front and rear subframes are completely disassembled, torn down for a comprehensive restoration and upgrade. Look at this condition. Everything is dry rotted and aged, almost completely destroyed. Next up, restoration and reassembly. Strictly following factory OEM specifications. All chassis components are sandblasted to bare metal. Even the smallest bolts aren't overlooked. Applying industrial anti-rust epoxy coating for ultimate corrosion resistance and durability. Bolts are also baked in a high-temp oven to cure the coating. Chassis components restoration is completely finished. Starting reassembly and installation. Reassembling methodically and torquing to factory specs. Assembly complete. The entire car gets a full respray. We never compromise on quality. Using imported BASF 99 OEM paint. For a $1 million luxury car, the paint finish must be absolutely flawless. Layer by layer, primer, base coat, and clear coat. Deep, rich gloss, eye hardness, and extreme durability. Restoring the original factory mirror finish. The doors, hood, and trunk lid are removed and painted separately, nailing all the details in the edges and door jambs, meticulously restoring it to showroom condition. The interior is completely stripped out. Aged and cracked surfaces, worn and peeling leather are all repaired and reupholstered. The leather seats, door panel armrests, and center console trim pieces are individually re-wrapped and hand-stitched. The original wood trim pieces are deep polished and restored, re-oiled and conditioned. The rich wood grain and shine look brand new, perfectly bringing back the premium feel of a new car interior. Followed by a deep detail of the engine ring, chassis, and interior. A thorough detailing process inside and out. Before cleaning. After cleaning, rear axle assembly installed. Engine installed. The full car restoration is complete. Thanks for watching AutoRevive. Subscribe for more.